business and be in front of people who have a high level of admiration to gain a success.
Let me ask you this. You're a big 76ers fan.
Huge.
Are you going to do anything to help recruit LeBron this summer?
Oh my God. Listen, I've already tried. I sent him $40. He didn't accept it.
Are you legit going to like sit down with him and try to sway him?
No, I tried it already. I really did send him $40. And I said, come to Philly.
And what did he say?
He said, kiss his ass. That's what he said. No, man, listen, that guy, you're looking at a guy who has the world at his hands. You know, if he were to go somewhere else, whoever gets that opportunity is amazing. I think what he's doing for the city of Cleveland is unreal. That economy shoots to the sky because of him. So I don't see him leaving. Other people think, well, I don't think he's going nowhere.
You don't think he's going nowhere?
Nah, I ain't.
All right, Kev, you're the man.